Hey, welcome to the channel. Austin here, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the 8 best dividend stocks for 2021. These are the 8 best dividend stocks. I've done a ton of research for you. In a minute we're actually going to jump to my desktop and I'm going to actually show you each stock, show you how it's done, kind of year to date, what's going on with it, show you the dividend that it's paying. Got the dividend payouts all the way from 10% down into the 3-4%. These are really good companies that have obviously been around for a while producing dividends. And as you know, dividends are kind of the holy grail of investing in dividend stocks. Historically, the stock itself is going to produce decent returns over time, but you're getting paid that dividend and you're getting the power of compounding interest and all that. And we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you that here in a few minutes. If you're brand new to the channel, you've never seen me before, my name's Austin. Please consider subscribing to the channel, as well as drop a like on the button. Hit the like button below if you would. It helps my channel out and it helps me get my videos out to more people so that I can help more people, because that's what I'm here for, is to help you navigate investing waters and just help you put together better investment portfolios, things like that, and help you make better financial choices. You'll see on my channel I do a lot of different types of videos, from personal finance to investment to stocks, things like that. So I'd love to have you stick around for a while if you would. So with that said, let's jump into today's video and jump into the 8 best dividend stocks that are out there right now for 2021. Here we go. Okay, so our first stock is AbbVie. AbbVie is one of the best pharmaceuticals, largest pharmaceutical companies, been around for a long time. They actually make Humira. You've probably seen their advertisements on TV. So right here, right now, real time, it actually is, as I'm recording this video, it's trading at 107.59 right now. It's actually up about 89 cents today. Let me show you the dividend return right here. So the dividend right here is a 4.87% dividend. Very nice one. Very nice number. I also want to show you the 1-year target estimate is 121.80. So right now we're trading at 107.59. So again, a very safe, good investment. Obviously it's big pharma, big company. It's been around for a long time. Definitely one that if you have in your dividend portfolio, you're not going to lose money on, and you're going to do well. And I apologize, I meant to tell you this. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a stock advisor. I'm not a broker, but I'm here to help you out. So there's a disclaimer below in the description. Let's continue to keep going. I need to do that earlier. Okay. All right. Let me show you their 1 year, kind of what their 1 year chart looks like. 1 year chart is looking decent. Obviously, the stock is on a run starting in October, which is not shocking enough. Starting in October, we kind of we started moving up. And right now we're basically kind of testing, and we're in that 107 range. Remember, we've got a kind of a 1 year target of 121. The PE ratio is 39.59. So there you go on that. It's a great stock. This stock is not one that you're going to lose money on. You're getting a great dividend, and it's pharma. So pharma is a really good stock to kind of have in your overall portfolio, because frankly, it does well over time, right? And that's really what you're interested in. A dividend stock is one that produces really good dividends, and 4.87% is a really good dividend return. Okay, so let's jump on to our next one. Our next one is Duke Energy, obviously a large energy company. Familiar with them myself. I've heard about them. I used to live out on the East Coast in Charlotte area and things like that. So let's look at that. They're producing a 4.36% dividend. Very nice number there. The stock is currently trading at 89.71. It's up $1.19 today. And our 1 year target estimate for the stock is $100.53. All right, not bad ranges. Again, I'm always going to come back to, when you're really looking at dividend investments, you're not looking for a stock that's just going to go astronomically through the roof. At least that's kind of what, as I've been brought up and as I've been doing dividend investing for quite a while now, I don't look for really hot stocks per se. And traditionally, dividend stocks are not hot stocks, right? The quotes, right? They're stocks that have been around for a long time, and they produce these dividends, and you get that compounding interest and all that kind of stuff that's going on. And obviously you get the asset itself, the investment itself, that goes up over time, because you tend to hold dividend stocks for a long time, right? Okay, so let's look at their Their one year chart, pretty straightforward. Their lows were right around August 24th, 2020. Their low was right around 79. Of course, you go back quite a while. Back in March, obviously that was COVID, and then it kind of came back, and then now it looks like we're on a nice little plateau here where we're trading in the $80 to $90 range with our 1 year target of approximately about $100. Okay, so again, looks very, very stable, very secure, really great dividend return for us there. Duke Energy is one you might want to look at and pick up. Okay. Let me go up here really quickly. So Safety Insurance Group, obviously a large insurance company, right now trading at $85.11, up $1.76 today. The dividend is right in there, kind of in that range we've kind of been looking at that $4.32 range. We don't have a 1 year target estimate on this particular one, but we can look at kind of their 1 year chart here, and their 1 year chart again shows back in March. Obviously, the bottom fell out because of COVID. We spiked and we came back up a little bit. We've had a little bit up and down, channeling pattern, so to speak. We hit another low, like on September 21 of 2020, where we hit a 67. 69. Currently, right now, we're trading at 85. So the stock may be kind of getting ready to continue to move upwards, things like that. Okay, so earnings are May 4th, so they're going to be reporting their next earnings between May 4th and May 10th. Again, a really decent stock here with a PE ratio of 9.25. Again, very safe, very secure, really nice little stock with a really nice dividend return for you there of 4.32%. Okay, let's go on to one that I am sure that you have heard of, which is Big Blue, IBM. IBM International Business Machines, currently trading at 125.04. The 1 day chart, that's the 1 day chart. Let's look at this. 1 year target estimate is 137, and it's currently paying out a dividend of 5.31. Obviously, IBM has been around for a million years, so to speak, right? They are the bellwether. They are the big company. Obviously, IBM. What else do you say, right? Let's look at the 1 year. So the 1 year I like this kind of 1 year. It's very stable, very secure, very straightforward. Not a lot of movement. We don't got a lot of ups and downs in the stock. This is a very safe, very secure, very conservative investment. So the overall investment vehicle itself is very safe, very secure, very conservative, as well as a very nice dividend payout for you of 5.31%. Really good one. I'm really a fan of IBM. This one is a really good one. And IBM is going to do well over time. And again, I believe that with dividend investing, you're buying it, you're holding it 1 year, actually 2, 5, 10 plus years. It's a long-term investment, right? That's really what we're looking for in this scenario. Okay. So again, another company you've probably heard of, Prudential Financial, obviously one of the largest companies out there doing what they do. Obviously, we all know Prudential. Let's look at their dividend right here. Their dividend yield is 5.07%. They're right now their target, ironically, their 1 year target is 85.27, and they're trading at 93.44. Okay, so they're trading actually a little bit above their target. Excuse me, but you can see that the stock is on a run. So the stock is running up. This is a 1 year chart. So like back in October 26th, again, it's when most stocks kind of started bouncing back up in the October time frame, so to speak. And you can see they're having a really nice run up here. So might be a good investment to actually get some decent gains. I mean, from their relative low back in November of 2020, $63. So I mean, the stock's gone up literally $30 in the last since November of 2020. So again, pretty decent investment. I'm always going to bring you back. Dividend investing, you're looking at the longer term investing. You're going to hold this, and you're going to reap that dividend payment, and you're just going to hold that stock, and you're obviously going to do well with the asset itself. Prudential's not going anywhere. Big, huge, massive company. I think this is a really good one and a really decent stock, even though it's over its 1 year target estimate. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. We got to move a upward movement here, right? We got a stock that's moving up. All right, so moving on to one you may not be familiar with. Excuse me, and that's Artisan Partners Asset Management. Say that really fast. Artisan Partners Asset Management. Currently trading at $48.01. It's up 10 cents a day. 1 year target estimate of $60.67. And look at this, we've got a really nice upward trend here, and right now we're at a little, we've bounced off our highs. Our low, excuse me, our high was right now, recent high was February 8, 2021, 52.59. So it's actually kind of dipped it just a little bit. So we've got a low here if you're looking for maybe a buying opportunity. We're dipping down a little bit, but look at the stock run up. The run up's pretty decent from obviously March 30th, again, COVID, right? We hit an all-time low of 1959. It looks like, yeah. Actually, the low was the 52-week low was 1769. So there was a 1769 in there, and right now it's off its 52-week range high of 55.25. So might be an opportunity to buy here. And I apologize, I didn't show you this earlier. My sincere apologies. Producing a very, very nice dividend of 6.43%. 6.43%. Very, very nice one. I like this stock. Again, from a long-term buy hold scenario, very, very good company with a 1-year target estimate. We've got some upward movement. We got a stock that's moving up, showing a good trend line. We may have a little bit of a dip and a buying opportunity here, and it looks really good. All right, moving on. Talk about National Health Advisors now. This one is currently trading at $72.51. It's up $1.47 today. And show you this real quickly. Its dividend yield is 6.21. If I can grab it, 6.21%. Really nice dividend yield there. 1-year target estimate, again, of 67.88. So we're actually over our 1-year target estimate. And you can see the 52-week range of this stock. It's trading a little bit kind of close to that 52-week range high at 72.51. You can see right now kind of what the overall 1-year looks like. Again, we hit a low. Looks like we're back on October 26th. Shocker, right? Not a dip, right? We hit the dip of 56.05 there, and then we're starting to kind of gradually move up. Real conservative stock. Doesn't move around a lot. Obviously, this was back when COVID all hit, back up in here, but really nice, very stable. If you're looking for a stable, conservative investment, NHI could be one you might want to look at with a really nice dividend return rate for you there. All right, save the best for last. As far as our overall dividend return, Annaly Capital Management currently trading at $8.53, up 21 cents, with a 1-year target estimate of $9.02. But look at the dividend return, guys, 10.62%, 10.62% dividend return. Nothing else really to say about that. I mean, it's a great dividend return. Let's look at the 1 year on this guy. You can see that right now, again, we had a low of $4.02 back in March, but look at the upward trend. We're looking really good, really nice, kind of gradual movement up. It is a little bit it's on its higher end, but with that particular dividend yield, this is a stock that you might want to just pick up, buy. I'm not saying go all in, absolutely not, but again, a really great dividend yield for stock that looks really nice, and one that you could add to your portfolio and really bring home, and just really nice dividend yield for you. Really looks good. Okay, so that's going to wrap up my 8 best dividend stocks for 2021. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I worked hard on looking through a lot of different publications, a lot of different stuff online to try to really bring this list to you guys so that you could just take action and go look at these, do a little bit more due diligence for yourself if you so chose, and really maybe pick out 1 or 2 of the cherries that fits your investment strategy and really works well for you, because that's my goal. My goal, guys, is real simple, is to go out, bring you the information, show it to you in a video. Hopefully you like the video and you subscribe to the channel, become part of my community, because I'm here for you every single day, bringing you these videos and working on this stuff for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel if you like what I did today for you, and please drop a like on this video because it helps my channel out, and it also helps me get my videos out to more people, to help more people, so I'd greatly appreciate it. Until the next video, take care. I'll see you then.